welcome back to my channel. We are in my closet right now because if you know what's next to my closet, you'll know I'm never in there and I never show it in my videos, and that is my laundry room. And I'm just being dead honest, I'm not a laundry fan. I don't like folding clothes, but I think the biggest problem has always been it's just clutter and it's a mess, which I will show you guys in a second. Just don't judge me. But I want to revamp that space, make it girly, make it very feminine, make it so I want to be in there and fold clothes, because with the girls getting older, they've got more clothes, stuff's everywhere. So I got all brand new stuff. I'm going to show you everything I've hauled. So excited to do this room. I keep watching reels and TikToks of people revamping their laundry room, and I've just felt so inspired by that. So I hope this inspires you guys, and also let me know what your laundry room looks like. Like, do you like folding clothes? Do you like doing laundry? I know some people kind of have a zen to it, or it's like their free time. It's like, I don't know, they enjoy it. So I kind of want to get into that and just have this space be a little bit more easier for me to manage. So if you guys want to watch this video, give it a thumbs up. And if there's another area in my house that you would like to see, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to roll it right in. You guys asked for it, okay? I wanted to be truthful. I wanted to show you guys what my current laundry room looks like, so we can do a little before and after. Now, I've gotten into my cabinets because I was taking everything out right here. So we had some random things like, a tutu. So there, I'm starting from scratch. So the first thing I wanted to do in this entire space is get rid of everything. I want to fold the clothes up there. I want to just get all this in a section, in a pile, and have this fully just starting from scratch. That is the only way I can work, and I recommend you guys doing it too, because it just, if I start doing sections in here, like, it's just, there's gonna be stuff everywhere. So let's just get rid of everything and we'll start from there. And we have hauled all brand new things. So I'm really excited. Like, I've got trays, we have laundry stuff, we have laundry basket. How cute is that little one I got for the girls? So we've got Amazon, two-tiered organizers, pink organizers, neutral organizers, towels, cleaning stuff. So I'm ready. Let's go. Seen this room this empty since we first moved in. Just need to get everything out, then I will be happy. Before we continue, I'm gonna go make an iced coffee. I've noticed there's a lot, like, I actually have to, I think I'm gonna soak the floors, wash them, because I can see lots of like little coffee stains, and also on the countertops as well. Cubes. We're gonna go hard on coffee because this is gonna take me a hot minute. I suggest you guys load up on caffeine if you're doing a full makeover. Now I don't know where to do a straw. And I wanted to show you guys quickly the organizers that I got. So I got these right here, which are gonna be for like little hand towels. These are really cute. They are the M Design, and they were 20 bucks. And then I also got these ones. They're Urban Home, and they're just nude, which I like, beige, neutral. I got the clear ones as well. You can put whatever you want in these. You can put like cleaning supplies and stuff like that, laundry detergent. Also got these. Now these are for a pantry, but I thought they'd be great for the laundry room as well, just for these shelves here. And then also these white baskets. Now if you're short like me, this will be your best friend. I got this at HomeSense and I love this. It's so cute.
That's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out. Before it's time for goodbye. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. No looking back, eyes on the road. Only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't look back, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know. Oh, that's all that we have left now. That's all that we had time for. Don't know just where we'll lie. But you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. If we could be alright, but you could be there, feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there, feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright.
Just took all the stickers off. My favorite part, obviously. I'm gonna fill these up with all my laundry detergents, my boost centers too. These inserts were perfect for down here just because you guys can take this part out, put cleaning supplies and laundry, detergent. I found this really cute little dumpster, so this is really great for like lint. Very cute. Mia's playing. And right here you see you can hang clothes here. I made them a little bit more girly, obviously, with the bows and ribbons. You guys can do that too. It's really inexpensive, and just bows make everything look so pretty. Also just made a cup of tea in my little teapot. So cute. I love this so much. So far we have an entire thing filled of clothes. This is all stuff I don't wear anymore, so I usually just donate it and I give it to my friends and things like that. So I just really need to declutter. Stuff here is stuff I'm keeping. I just wanted to organize it. So I've got jeans and everything, skirts, dresses. Ton of stuff out right now just because I've been filming. And then these candles right here are from Amazon. They were from my photo shoot, but I just thought they'd be really nice in my closet. And over here I have all my sweaters and also pants that I hung up. Pant holders that I got from Amazon too. Those are really nice. Bow in my hair, this is from Amazon. And then I'm wearing this cardigan that I got from Chantel. It's the Jessica Simpson line from Winners. It's so cute. Then an Aritzia skirt. Okay, I'm all done. I'm really happy that I finished this today. I thought it was going to be a 2-day project, but we finished it. It looks super good. It's girly. It's not cluttered. I love the little table because I wasn't going to add it at first, but I was like, you know what? It's nice for decor, and I feel like we have a little bit of space to do so. So I will link everything for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I am sweating now, but it was really nice, and it's so nice having this space finished now. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Very small.